Hi there! Check out this compact and portable concrete nail gun kit that includes 200 nails and safety gear. The manual steel nail gun features a 4-level adjustable power design for versatile use on different materials. It measures just 11.8 by 4.3 inches, making it easy to handle and maneuver in tight spaces. Dual silencers reduce noise, protecting your ears during indoor equipment installation and woodworking projects. The kit also comes with goggles, earplugs, and replacement parts to ensure your safety and convenience. Made from quality metal, this nail gun is durable and built to last without deformation or breakage. Whether you're mounting walls or fixing ceiling cables, this tool delivers reliable and efficient fastening power. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.